foundation at 1000 Goldeneye Drive in Mallard Pond. Now that the footers are poured, we're getting ready to set our forms for the poured wall foundation. These forms were just delivered and will provide a 10-foot ceiling height in the basement. This 10-foot ceiling height is really important for us at Benjamin Marcus Homes because we want your basement to feel like actual living space. With a typical 8 or 9 foot ceiling height in the basement, by the time you put your bulkheads in to cover your heat runs and your steel beams, you're really looking at less than an 8-foot ceiling height. That doesn't make sense in a house that's supposed to be a luxury home. Therefore, we go to 10-foot ceilings. The minimum ceiling height with a bulkhead would be 9 foot 4 inches, and you have plenty of room for natural light, open concepts, and allows for plenty of breathing room for entertainment. With the completion of the footers, the next step is installing our outside French drains. At Benjamin Marcus Homes, we include both outside and inside French drains as a standard. We want to keep all the moisture and water out of your basement and out of your home. This French drain pipe that we use has a thick gauge. That way it doesn't compress or crush with the backfilling of stone around your foundation. It's also perforated so all the moisture flows in and stays away from your house. All right, now that the walls are poured and the forms are stripped, we're getting into the next steps of the process. And right now we're working on the waterproofing. All right, now I'm standing here with Ryan from Seal Tight. We're gonna talk a little bit about the waterproofing products that we're using.